How are we all doing, everyone? Ralfy here, Ralfy Customs. Time for an update on the XS1100 project. I know it's been a little while, but things have slowed down a bit. I've had to wait for things to come back that have been done out. I don't do my own upholstery, I don't do my own shot blasting, powder coating, shit like that. Plus I've had other bits and bobs to do. But I'll run you through where we're at. So far, pretty much all of the cosmetics are done. It's getting to the stage where I can start putting it back together, which I'm really looking forward to. So please subscribe if you're into this sort of shit. Thanks for looking, everyone. Give me a thumbs up and I'll talk to you soon. See you later. Okay, quick update on the M11. Lumps out, every fucking thing's out, look. We've started things that are ready to start paintwork. There's some down on the welding bench still. So there's the forks, the tank, wheels. Let's just trip down the other end, bear with. Down this end we've got a frame that I need to finish welding. Back mud guard needs shot blasting, but it's got some holes that need welding up. Front mud guard the same. I'm going to paint that, but it's got holes that need welding. Swing arm, I need to sort out the other side of that shocker bracket, because I had to chop it off because the new shocker's too wide. And the exhaust side panels over there need welding. So today is very much get things ready for the shot blasters. Hopefully I'll get back tomorrow and then I can get the shit in the stove in. Awesome. Okie dokie, so we're all laid out on the bench, look. And do a bit of filling, ready for primer. As brand new as the tank looks, believe you me, look, there you go. That's the filler it needed to smooth out any of the imperfections. We'll rub everything else down and get ready for primer. Sorted. So here we are, all in filler primer. I got white. Don't ask me why I got white. I normally use grey or beige, you know, but I got fucking white. So all the filler's done. It's had 4 fuck off heavy coats of this filler primer. And I'm hoping the camera don't show the imperfections and the orange peel that's there, but that's what you get with RBL primer. So we'll knock that back in a couple of days. And then we're ready to make it colourful. Well, black, you know, but ready to put a shiny colour on. Sorted. Righto, so quick update. We're all painted. Side panel, front mud guard, petrol tank. So we did the filler, you saw me do the filler primer. I knocked that back, got it all smooth as guide coat. So there's numerous videos, I might even have one, I don't think I have. I've got one on painting wheels. And now it is shiny fucking black. Voila. Still awaiting the back mud guard back from the shot blasters. But I'll paint that separately, obviously. So there you fucking go. Nicely done, thanks very much. Have a nice day. Onto the wheels then. Good clean down, paint stripper, and go like fuck with a wire brush on the old die grinder there. Get all the old shit stripped off and get them ready for paint. Okay, fucking dokie. So from that picture, I did do a video showing how to do wheels, and this ain't going to pick it up in the best light, but I've just finished wheel number 1, front wheel. It's going to dry to a satin. So not a matte, not a gloss, somewhere in between. Yeah, I'll probably do the fork legs the same actually. We'll see. Stanchions, fucking legs to the fork. Stanchions, bottoms, the same. We'll see. There you go, getting there. And we got the rear wheel done. Now same satin black that dried on the front wheel, quite glossy. Fork stanchions. There you go, look at them bad boys, can't really see them, but they're fucking black. Disc centres, all done, and the foot peg hangers. Look, you can't really see that fucker, but there you go, it's a foot peg hanger. So that is the satin black, pretty much done. Unless something else takes me fancy. So we're cracking on. Cool fucking beans. Okie dokie, worst job on the bike. Getting this dirty old lump cleaned off, degreased, ready to rock and roll, and with a nice shiny new top coat black look. There it is, ready to go back in. Once it's had a little bit of time to cure, it truly cures once it's baked, but it's looking good. Okay, ignore the out in the background. That's the next project, but as the photos just showed, we've got the engine painted. Excuse me. All of the metalwork's been shot blasted and powder coated, and we're getting ready to start putting it back together. So most of it's here looking pretty and shiny. The major paintwork, the mudguards, side panels, petrol tanker stashed safe in the office. Little box of cleaning uppy bits there. They all need to go back on and get cleaned up. Little box of polishing there. There is a video on my channel of me polishing aluminium, which is what I'll be doing with those bits. And then we can get this Airfix kit back together and looking like a motorbike.